Departing on a Tuesday or Wednesday, it is usually cheaper to fly. Don't eat on the plane, eat before or only snack while on the plane. Remember to pack sensibly or you'll have a lot to carry around with you. Take advantage of hotel/resort Wi-Fi hotspots. Check the night before that you have packed your passport, visa, and all the tickets. Research free events and free activities around where you are staying. Travel by land allows you to see more of the countryside, landmarks, and scenery. Wearing layers while flying keeps your body at a comfortable temperature. Having a dummy wallet is a great way to trick muggers and pickpocketers. Don't drink alcohol before flying. It will make your jet lag 10 times worse. Eat local, authentic, cultural food so you pay no jacked up tourist prices for food. Master the art of packing a suitcase. Take only things you really need. Store your phone in a sandwich bag to protect it while on the beach or near water.